Hello everyone. I'd like to take this opportunity to provide you with an update on what's happening at Progress Software. On April 25th, we signaled to the market a dramatic change at Progress. Changes that will significantly transform the shape and future of the company by improving growth, profitability, and shareholder value. But ultimately, changes that will enable us to deliver a next-generation application development platform to help you build great software for the 21st century and beyond. Software that can run on-premise, on any cloud, on any platform, or on any mobile device. We spoke with many of you, our partners and customers, as well as conducted in-depth market analysis as we developed our new mission. In essence, you spoke and we listened. We truly believe we're facing a compelling, game-changing opportunity that leverages our core competencies in on-premise application development products and addresses a new and fast-growing cloud computing market. To this end, last month we announced an exciting new mission for Progress Software that would leverage our inherent DNA and vast experience in application development and deployment established over 30 years. Our mission is to simplify and enable the development, deployment, and management of business applications on-premise, on any cloud, or on any mobile device. To reach our goal, we will invest in our core strengths. We will achieve this by combining three critical components: application development and deployment, comprehensive data connectivity, and real-time analytics and decision management. This combination will create for you the most capable, agile, freestanding application platform as a service offering with multi-tenancy, big data connectivity, and real-time analytics in a new generation category that's experiencing explosive growth. Most importantly, I want you to know that we have the foundation products that make up this mission available for you today. Our award-winning OpenEdge application development platform has cloud functionality already. There are more than 200 Progress application partners who've built 600 discrete SaaS applications running in the cloud using OpenEdge. And these software as a service applications are being used by more than 100,000 end users. We have a cloud environment available where you can build, test, and deploy your applications. We call it the Progress Arcade Portal, and with just 12 clicks, you can run your application in the cloud. With the Data Direct Connect portfolio, we offer the most comprehensive range of data sources, using standards-based interfaces for connecting the world's most critical business applications. And we're developing a new real-time analytics and decision management platform, which will bring together the power of complex event processing, business rules management, and visual analytics into a single offering in the cloud. Many of these pieces are available for you already. Now imagine the company that pioneered the most compelling model for application development, now enabling you, our application partners and customers, to deploy, access, and analyze applications on any platform, on any device, and on any cloud with the industry's fastest time to value. Progress's DNA is clearly rooted in simplifying the creation and deployment of the world's best on-premise software applications. And now we can move your applications into the cloud or on any mobile device. Today we have before us a unique and exciting opportunity to build the technology company of the future using the decades of experience of our past. It will be a company that's true to its roots and takes advantage of an emerging growth market. I'd like to thank each of you for your continued support, and I look forward to a growing and profitable partnership as we create together the next generation of software applications.